students, welcome to our TLE class. For today's topic, we will be discussing Learning Outcome 2. Prepare a variety of sandwich. Our most essential learning competency is identify sandwich components. Upon completion of this lesson, you are expected to analyze the component of a sandwich, identify the ingredients used in preparing sandwiches, and value the importance of knowing the complete structure of a sandwich. Before we go further with our lesson, let us measure what learnings and skills you understood from the previous lesson. You can pause the video so that you can have time to answer it. Directions: identify the following statements. Use a clean sheet of paper for your answer. Number 1. A type of sandwich that is made of bread cut lengthwise, about 3/8-inch thick. Fresh cream bread is preferable because it is easy to roll and will not crack. Number 2. The sandwiches that are small and fancy are made from light and delicate ingredients and bread that has trim crust or sides. 3. These are made with more than 2 slices of bread or rolls, split into more than 2 pieces, and with several ingredients as filling. 4. It is also called toasted sandwich, a simple sandwich that is buttered on the outside and browned on the griddle, in a hot oven, or in a panini grill. And number 5, flavored breads served with dips like quesadillas and burritos. This part will test your prior knowledge about how to select and use the correct equipment in preparing salads and dressings. Directions: read and understand the statement carefully. Write the word fact if the statement is true, and then write the word fake if the statement is a lie. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Number 1. The distinction between consuming and tasting food is also identified by the consistency of the ingredients. 2. All sandwiches consist of several basic components. 3. The secret to a good sandwich starts with good bread and quality fillings. 4. The filling acts as the protective layer of a sandwich, preventing the filling from softening or wetting the bread. 5. The base consists of one or more ingredients that are stacked, layered, or folded within or on the structure to form the sandwich. After finishing your preliminary activity, let's proceed to our lesson, the basic components of a sandwich. The distinction between consuming and tasting food is also identified by the consistency of the ingredients. The quality of the ingredients matters, even with the most modest food, which is sandwich. Any sandwich has 3 basic components: the bread, the filling, and the spread or accompaniment. Each component contributes to making a sandwich substantial. Then the amount of its components. A good sandwich depends upon the quality of bread. The basic components of a sandwich. 1. The structure or base. It is the part of a sandwich wherein the ingredients are placed, and it consists of some form of bread or dough produced that is whole or sliced. Examples are sandwich rolls, pita bread, and tortillas. The second part or component of a sandwich is the moistening agent. It is intended to bind the sandwich to enhance both flavor and texture. It works between the filling and the structure as a defensive layer, preventing the filling from softening or wetting the bread. Examples are mayonnaise and softened butter. Number 3 component of a sandwich, the filling, consists of one or more ingredients that are stacked within or on the structure to form the sandwich. Layered or folded, varieties of fillings should be chosen carefully. The filling can be hot or cold and comes in any sort of meat, fruit, vegetables, salad, or a combination of any of them that is cooked and cured. Examples are hamburger patties, cheese, and vegetables. Those are the 3 basic components of a sandwich. For this part, let us test your learnings by doing this activity. Directions: supply the missing word or phrase to make the statement correct. Responses can be found inside the box below. Number 1. Blank acts as a protective layer between the filling and the structure. 2. The varieties of blank should be carefully selected. It can be hot or cold and comes in any form of cooked, cured meat, fruit, vegetables, salad, or a combination of any of them. 3. Base is the part upon which the ingredients are placed, consists of some form of blank produced that is whole or sliced. 4. Moistening agent is meant to bind the sandwich, providing an improvement of both blank. And number 5, the blank consists of one or more ingredients that are stacked, layered, or folded within or on the structure to form the sandwich. After having our discussion on the component of a sandwich, please provide what is necessary in the table with your insight for each category. Letter A. Give some example of base. B. Give the 3 components of sandwich. C. Give some example of fillings. D. Give some examples of moistening agent. For your post-test, read and understand the questions carefully and choose the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. Use a sheet of paper for your answer. Number 1. It's meant to bind the sandwich, providing an improvement of both flavor and texture. A. Moistening agent. B. Structure. C. Filling. D. Base. 2. It is the part of a sandwich upon which the ingredients are placed, consists of some form of bread or dough produced that is whole or sliced. A. Vegetables. B. Structure. C. Moistening agent. D. Filling. Number 3. It consists of one or more ingredients that are stacked, layered, or folded within or on the structure to form the sandwich. A. Moistening agent. B. Structure. C. Filling. D. Base. 4. It acts as the protective layer between the filling and the structure, preventing the filling from softening or wetting the bread. A. Base. B. Structure. C. Filling. D. Moistening agent. 5. Meat is an example of what component of a sandwich? A. Moistening agent. B. Structure. C. Base. D. Filling. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and listening. God bless and stay healthy.